What's going on, guys and gals? Doing a 5-boxer number 15, 2018 Elite Extra Edition Baseball. All card ship. We got Thomas M. Rockies, Donald M. Nats, Sanford W. Dodgers, Chris B. Blue Jays, Jeffrey S. Twins, Terry C. Giants, Luke P. Pirates, Jeff G. Marlins, Stephen K. A's Red Sox, Robert C. Mariners and International Non-MLB, Caleb S. Rangers, Howard T. Indians, Gregory C. Braves, D-backs, and Yankees, Sean B. Cardinals, Jeff G. Cubs, Carol G. Orioles, and USA Non-MLB, Stephen M. Mets, Carol G. Phillies, JJC White Sox, John C. Reds, Francis C. KC, Chris S. Tampa, Kerry K. Astros, Stephen K. Padres, Steve W. Angels, JJC Tigers, and Kerry K. Brewers. Is this your entire collection on eBay, Joe? Is that everything? I'll take a look through it and see if there's anything I can use for Almanac. Oh, they're all card lots and stuff. That's it. Let's see. I just sent you an offer on that Acuna.
Finally got the
All right, here we go.
dentist coming up.
What?
Finally got the dentist coming up.
I didn't know you had to go.
2 cavities.
That sucks.
Pretty sure the cavities hurt.
Yep. All right, Seattle, Josh Stowers to 49. And a chrome auto. That is number to 25. Tristan Pompey. That goes to the Marlins. Gratz Fish. Pompey chrome auto. Tag that Marlins. Dual relic is Dodgers. DJ Peters. 199. You go Dodgers. And a Seth Beer chrome. He's Astros, right? Seth Beer. Not numbered, but still a nice chrome. Jackson Coar KC on the back. Got a International Caterson Pavon to 99. Autograph goes to Kansas City. Kaito Yuki to 100 KC. Kaito Yuki. Houston autograph, Jason Schroeder on card. And we got Ornelas and Casas base on the back. Griffin Conine to 150 Blue Jays. Houston again. Auto to 25, Peter Solomon. Peter King Solomon. Houston doing well already. Texas on-card auto, Owen White. Rangers. That's a blank. We got Victor, Grayson Rodriguez. Victor.
Henry.
Brad's PC is Henry though. Jose Siri to 100, Cincinnati. International auto to 25, Luis Ravello. Can you Google him for me? See if he's on a team.
How do you spell
Ravello. Luis Ravello. Dual relic goes to the Twins, Nick Gordon. Thanks, Joe. Got a chrome Anthony Siegler. That's Yanks.
it? It's high school.
He's high school, so it's international. Base Severino for the Twins. Rangers, Owen White to 99. Jersey Auto, USA. That's, let's see. I don't know if it's 18 and under or 15 and under. It says collegiate. Kenyon Yovan. Jersey Auto to 99, USA.
University of Oregon.
That is USA spot. On card auto, KC again, Jonathan Bolin. Another one for Kansas City. And we got base of DJ Wilson and Francisco Morales. Box 2.
Who do you got tonight, Rich? Darren Till?
Huh?
Who do you got in the fight tonight?
I don't even know who's fighting.
Till and some Russian dude?
I'm going to take the some Russian dude. Samad Taylor. Wade Infante. Okay, that's interesting. Autograph goes to Texas. Jonathan Ornelas. Another hit Rangers. What's up, Tool Goat?
Never mind. He's Spanish.
Spanish dude? I'm going Spanish dude. And Tampa Bay. Auto to 50 Ford Proctor. Tampa.
Masvidal. Darren Till and Jorge Masvidal.
Ryan Weathers. Padres to 75.
Masvidal is 32 and 13. Darren Till is 17, 1 and 1.
It's a nice record. Daniel Lynch, DJ Peters base. That's a blank. And we got KC again. Auto to 50. Brewer Hicklin.
Brewer Hicklin.
KC on a roll.
Brewer Hicklin.
That's what it says. After that is, I believe, Yankees. Autograph Luis Gill. Pretty sure that's Yanks.
Yep.
And a Marco Luciano Giants to 99.
I want Till to win. He's young.
Awesome, Tool Goat. Good luck tonight. I don't know anything about it. Wander Franco to 9.99 Tampa.
I feel like you'd like it.
I would. I just don't have time to get into it.
Another sport.
Chrome Rollison refractor. That goes to the Rockies. Not numbered. Marlins. Triple relic James Nelson. Fish. Another hit for the Marlins. Dude, that band rocks in this movie.
Yeah.
And Indians. Die cut auto to 75. On card Ethan Hankins. Indians. And DJ Wilson goes to the Cubs. Number to 150. Santana International, Grayson Janista goes to the Braves. Die cut auto, Nats, Jake Irvin to 25, Nats. Texas, Jersey auto, Leody Tavares, another Ranger hit. Dude, scary, man. And an international to 75, Elias Reynoso.
You know what scared me when I was a kid to watch this? Was the coffin.
Yeah, yeah. Kaito Yuki, Kansas City again to 49.
Bothered me for a while.
USA 18 and under auto. There he is, Brad. This is Brad's favorite player. Pete Crow Armstrong. USA auto. Pete Crow Armstrong. Brad's favorite all-time player. Double relic is Milwaukee Corey Ray. Pete Crow Armstrong, Brad. It's your boy. Nico Horner Chrome goes to the Cubs. And Omar Florentino for KC. Next up, Pete Crow Armstrong. That name's awesome, man. What a name. I hope he makes it.
Pete Crow.
I hope he makes it. So we can pull cards
I
of
want a
him.
Crow Armstrong jersey.
Griffin Conine to 75 Blue Jays. Got a chrome auto. This one's going to the Oakland A's. Jeremy Ironman. There you go, A's. It is number to 99. Tag that A's. Triple patch behind it to 49. Padres. Nick Margevicius.
Margevicius?
Margevicius. 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 Padres.
Margevicius.
Another chrome Nico Horner for the Cubs. Base Tyler Frank, Tampa. Mets, Carlos Cortez to 99. Jersey auto is Texas again. Yanio Perez. Texas on a roll. KC and Texas kill it in this product. Die cut auto goes to Cincinnati, numbered 1 of 5. Lion Richardson. You go Cincy, number to 5. Got base Josh Stowers, Seattle. Manny De La Rosa, International. Blaze Alexander, Arizona, number to 100. Autograph goes to Seattle. On card to 25, Logan Gilbert.
Combo.
Go Seattle. Jersey, Cincinnati again, Taylor Trammell. Got a chrome Nick Madrigal for the White Sox. Chrome refractor there. And a Sergio Campana Pirates base. Phillies, Austin Listy to 150 Phillies. Austin Listy. International auto. It says, oh, that's his first name. Yamal Encarnacion. Signed it Yamal.
Yep.
And on is that on card? Yeah. Blaine Knight goes to the Orioles, number to 100, Baltimore. Blaine Knight.
Combo.
That's a blank. Base Austin Listy, Nick Sandlin. Got a Brewer Hicklin, KC to 99. Another international auto. Come on. That is Luis Castillo. And Seattle, on-card auto, die cut, Josh Stowers to 75. There you go, Mariners. Base Jose Pena and Connor Pilkington. Wonder if he's related to Carl.
That's what I keep saying.
One of my favorite all-time people, dude. The guy's a legend.
You'd rather live in a cave overlooking the castle than live in the castle.
Because he gets to look at the yeah.
Live in the castle and
Such
have to look at the cave.
So, but it's true, man.
No, it's not.
Luis Medina, Caden Grenier. We got Padres, Quad Relic, Cal Quantrill.
It's not true at all.
Yeah, because he gets to look at what's nice all the time.
Yeah, but nobody in their right mind would want to live in the cave instead.
USA, auto to 99, Riley Cornelio. It's got some eyebrows. Look at the brows on this kid. Dude's got some brows, man. Look at that.
Fear the brows.
A couple caterpillars sitting on his forehead. Holy crap. Nico Horner, Cubs. That one is to 75. Cubs again, DJ Wilson, number to 10. Jersey auto is Dodgers, DJ Peters. There you go, Dodgers. Autograph, Seattle again, Cal Raleigh, on card to 25. Mariners doing well. And we've got Erling Moreno base, Miguel Aparicio base Swaggerty for the Pirates. Got a Chrome Refractor, Jake McCarthy. That's Tampa. Patch card, 99, Jesus Sanchez, Tampa Bay. Good name to get there. And Tampa goes back-to-back. Autograph, Shane McClanahan, Tampa Bay. I've got a Jose Garcia for the Reds, number to 150. Nick Decker, Landon Leach, base. That's a blank. Arizona, autograph to 50, Jackson Goddard. There you go, D-backs. And Chicago, this is Cubs, autograph number to 10, Jimmy Herron. Not Jimmy Herring, the guitar player. There you go, Cubs, auto to 10. Saul Bautista, International to 99. Lion Richardson, Ariel Almonte base. We got Red Sox autograph to 100, Durbin Feltman. There you go, Red Sox. And Arizona again, Blaze Alexander, base auto, D-backs. And parallel goes to the Yanks, I believe. Ryder Green to 75. Last box in the break.
Did you hear about Fish?
What about him?
Bonamasa's going on tour with him.
It never happened, dude. Not in a million years.
It's true.
Bo Naylor, Indians to 75. Chrome Auto. That goes to Kansas City. Brady Singer. Grats KC.
Doing a full acoustic tour.
That's numbered 3 of 5. Wow. 3 of 5. Grats KC. Double relic goes to Tampa again. Genesis Cabrera.
Isn't that a car?
Yeah, Hyundai Genesis Cabrera. Chrome USA of Adley Rutschman. This is actually, dude, this guy's stuff is like crazy expensive. I don't know if he's on a team or not yet. If he's not, he's going to be like the #1 pick, I believe.
Adley. It's like the end of my name.
Adley Rutschman. I keep hearing about this guy.
Not yet, but it looks like the Orioles might want to get him.
Yeah, he's supposed to be like #1, isn't he? This goes to the USA spot. He's not on the team yet, but
Orioles are looking at him.
you want to grade it, hang on to it. And Tyler Frank, Tampa base card.
Tag this.
It's just USA. Christian Santana, International to 100. Jersey Auto goes to Tampa again. Nathan Lukes. Yeah, he's like the for sure #1 pick. Tampa's on a roll. And Cincinnati Auto, Lion Richardson to 25. We got base Josh Stowers and Manny De La Rosa. Couple packs left here. Parallel Padres, Xavier Edwards, number to 10. Auto, Milwaukee, Bryce Terang, on card to 50. Gratz Brewers. Quad goes to the Pirates. Shane Baz. Actually, I think it's Shane Baz.
I'm not switching now.
There you go, Pirates.
How long we've been saying Baz,
2 years we've been saying that.
Come on.
Got a Chrome Ethan Hankins for the Indians. Sergio Campana, base for the Pirates.
The Wizard of Boz.
Julio Pablo Martinez, Rangers to 150. International Auto. And Saul Bautista. Better call Saul Bautista. International. And Baltimore, autograph on card to 100, Blaine Knight.
Those USA International combos do well.
Yeah. Austin Listy, Nick Sandlin, because there's so many non-MLB type players in this product. Marlins, Osiris Johnson to 99. International auto is Jonathan Bautista, number to 25. And Seattle again to 25 auto, Josh Stowers. Last two are Jose Pena, Connor Pilkington. Thanks, everybody. Get those right out to you. Elite Best of Basketball coming up.